Say hello, world. Talk to us, Natalie. Yes. Say hey. Say I got my Pippa up here. I got her trained already. Who needs a pacifier? I got good fingers. Don't ya? Yes. Tell Pippa all about it. Tell me. Tell me what you doing, girl. Huh? What? They are such a little grinner. Yes. I'm a sweetheart. Yes, I am. I'm a sweetheart. Say, me and Pippa been rocking. I like to nap while I'm rocking, but not in the crib. Tell everybody all about it. I like my fingers in my mouth. See, that was sweetheart.